So moment of resistance, find moment of resistance of a beam having the dimension of 150 mm by 350 mm overall size. They have mentioned this is a overall size and effective cover that is equals to 40 mm. The beam is reinforced with three numbers of 16. Take FCK is equals to 20 Newton per mm square and Fy grade of steel is 415 Newton per mm square. Let's determine. So what we have to determine, first of all, we have to determine the moment of resistance. So again, we have to find the value of XU and XU max. So first of all, we have the given data is like this. This is our section. This amount is given, and that is equals to 150 mm. And over here, one reinforcement is given, that is 3 number of 16 mm dia bar, and this clear cover or effective cover. They have mentioned the effective cover. So effective cover is given, that is 40 mm, and this is your overall dimension, that is your small capital D, and that is equals to 350 mm. So we have to first of all use B is equals to 150 mm, small d is equals to 350 minus 40 is your cover. So that's why your answer is 310 mm. And AST is 3 into pi by 4 into 16 square. So your answer is 603 mm square. Now we have to determine the value of XU. So I'm going to write down first of all XU max. So what is XU max? So grade of steel is given, same. So we have to use 0.48 into D. So 0.48 into D is 310. That is equals to 148.8 mm. So let's determine the value of XU. XU is 0.87 into, if you don't remember this equation, then you know the value of C and you know the value of T. Value of C is 0.36 FCK into B into XU, and value of T is 0.87 Fy into AST. You have to just equate these two and you have to find the value of XU. So XU is equals to 0.87 Fy AST divided by 0.36 FCK B B. Here, so you have to determine this, and from this, if you insert the value, this one is a 415, AST is a 603 divided by 0.36. You can write it down over here 20, and width is equals to 150. Then your answer is 201.58 mm. Now, can you identify which type of section is this? So which type of section is this? Yes, so our section is over reinforced. Over reinforced section, ORS. So what is the meaning? We have to avoid this. So what we can do? આપણે avoid કરવાનો છે. આપણે આને avoid કરવાનો છે. We never design over reinforced section. So that for that you have to make one statement. Section is over reinforced. So redesign it with increased cross sectional dimension or provide doubly reinforced section. But it can resist moment equals to balance equals to capacity of balance section. Capacity of balance section. So now it means that we have to find out the M with the help of C into Z. હવે અહીંયા ધ્યાનથી સમજજો. We have to calculate value M is equals to C into Z. But we have to consider it as a balance. That's why we have to write down MU lim. that is equals to C is your 0.36 into FCK into B into this you have to write down XU max. And in equation of Z, D minus 0.42 times of XU max. Clear? Either you can use this equation or let's first of all solve with the help of this equation. So you'll able to get the answer. So this is my 0.36 as it is. FCK is value of FCK is 20 in our case. Value of B, please use calculator simultaneously. B is 150. XU max that we have determined and value of XU max. And again, I have told you what if you have confusion between XU and XU max, then always keep this thing in your mind. You have to use minimum of these two. So which one is minimum? 148 and 201. So which one is minimum? So 148. So just write down 148. This is only for exam point of view, but you need to understand the concept also. So D is your what is the amount of D? Again, I have forgotten. What is the amount of D? That is 310. 310 minus 0.42. Again, this one is your 148 mm. Yeah? 148 mm. So 0.9. This is 148 mm. Okay. 148 mm. 0.8. Okay, now just give me the answer. What is the answer? Please quick, make it quick. What is the answer?
39.
Excellent job. 39.78 kilonewton into meter. So this is our final moment of resistance. Now, if you use the Codal equations that I am going to show you, just wait a minute. If you use this equation 4, 5, 6. If you use this equation, then you can also get same answer. Don't worry. So sometimes what happen if you are not able to remember C and Z, at the time you can use directly this equation. You have to insert the value over here, and you will able to get the answer. Clear? But again, another short trick is also there that I am going to share you.